Hi everyone! Today I'm making Korean herb rice, a special healthy dish that so many people love. I'm using a brown rice mix to keep it healthy, so let's start by soaking the rice. Soak the rinsed aster for 2 hours, boil for 20 minutes with a pinch of salt, then rinse in cold water and place over the rice to cook on mixed grain mode. Mix 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 of Perilla oil, 2 of plum syrup, and 1 of red pepper flakes. Add a bit of minced garlic, some chopped scallions and peppers, and plenty of sesame seeds. When it's done, fluff the rice, serve it in a bowl, and just top it with the sauce. The fragrant Chwinamul and nutty brown rice are such a perfect match. Healthy and delicious. If you soak everything the night before, you can just start the cooker in the morning. So easy. It's a low-effort, high-nutrient meal that's just perfect. So definitely give it a try. See you in the next one. Enjoy your simple meal today.